Wally.
No matter what you call your car or why you're letting it go, AutoNation will buy it. So go to AutoNation.com or come see us for a super easy appraisal. Get paid fast and easy with Zelle. Only at AutoNation.
Let's play Unwind Your Mind. IKEA.
Mom, we need to talk to you about Yorgos.
Don't you think it's a little odd he showed up in your life right when you became a gigillionaire?
He's a gig digger, Mom. He's using you for your AT&T Fiber.
Now that it has hyper gig speeds, he spends half the day shirtless playing VR games.
Kids, why do you think I became a gigillionaire in the first place?
Yes, I am Yorgos.
Now,
Live like a gigillionaire with AT&T Fiber. Now with speeds up to 5 gigs. Limited availability.
When police officers don't show up to work, they get fired. That's how it should be for senators, too. As chief, I showed up every day, and we reduced violent crime by 40%. Marco Rubio's one of the worst at showing up. And when he does, he hurts Florida. Gutting Social Security and Medicare. It's simple. When you don't show up for work, you lose your job. I'm Val Demings, and I'll show up for you. And that's why I approve this message.
So long, happy little blue car.
No matter what you call your car or why you're letting it go, AutoNation will buy it for top dollar. So go to AutoNation.com or come see us for a super easy appraisal. Get paid fast and easy with Zelle. Only at AutoNation.